How to vet and install browser extensions safely. What is an extension? A browser extension is essentially a small piece of software that performs a function or adds a feature to a browser client. Since extensions are given special authorizations within the browser, they are attractive targets for attackers. Before installing an extension, check out the developer's website to see if it's a legitimate extension and not a one-off by an unvetted source. Read the description. Look for things that may be questionable, like tracking info or data sharing. Check out the reviews. Look for users complaining of oddities happening, speculating on their data being taken, or for anything that strikes you as odd. When installing an extension, be picky. The more extensions installed, the bigger the attack surface you open up to attackers. Only pick the most useful and delete the ones you don't need. Only install through trusted sources. While not guaranteed safe, security technicians review extensions for malicious content. Review permissions. Review extension permissions closely. If an extension installed suddenly requests new permissions, be wary. If you can't find a reason for the permission change, it's probably better to uninstall. How to see extensions already installed. Google Chrome users click the three dots to the right of the address bar, selecting More Tools, then Extensions. Firefox users click the three horizontal bars next to the address bar, then Add-ons, then Extensions. Safari users click Preferences, then on the Extensions tab. All extensions enabled will have a check mark in the box to the left of the icon in the sidebar. Internet Explorer users click the gear menu at the top right corner and select Manage Add-ons. Browser plugins are displayed under the Toolbars and Extensions category, along with any browser toolbars and other types of ActiveX add-ons installed. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more updates.